Well, here we are, mid-November, end of the hunting season. We're on our way home. We're done for the year. We had an amazing season this year. There's a lot to look forward to on the channel, so keep your eyes peeled. This is something new we're going to be trying. We're going to be trying this vlog style filming to show you guys behind the scenes, the camera guys, what they do. Things not just walk, stalk and hunting. Let me know in the comments what you think. Is there something you'd like to see? Would you like to see a vlog style video? Later tonight when I get home, I'm going to be testing the Olight Freyr. Olight just sent me this nice little truck light, and we'll be comparing that to my trusted Warrior X Turbo. This one is now my permanent vehicle flashlight, good for spotlighting, so we'll just run through a quick video there with you guys, show you those two lights. Tomorrow I will finish up the video, let you guys know what's coming up in the next couple of weeks on YouTube. Just make sure you find our Facebook and our Instagram as well. Got a lot of content coming out, a lot of shows coming out, YouTube episodes. So yeah, stay tuned, and I'll see you a little bit later this evening. Alright, so we just got back from an 11-hour drive from the Limpopo. And as promised, I just want to show you guys the flashlights quickly, and then we'll move on to tomorrow, where I start my editing process for all the upcoming YouTube shows that you'll be seeing here pretty soon. Okay, so here is where I keep my Warrior X Turbo. This is always in my vehicle. And here we have the Olight Freyr that Olight sent me, which comes with this silicone cone. And the features are pretty much, it's a safety flashlight. So you put the cone on the flashlight and you have this press button. You press and hold the button, it comes up white. Press and hold, it's red. Press and hold, green. Press and hold, blue. So press it again once and it's off. If you take the cone off, you have a press button here at the back. If you half press it, it comes onto the medium setting, and if you fully press it, it comes onto the bright setting. So we'll just quickly go out and show you how these look in the dark, the safety features and the flashlight, and we'll compare that to the Warrior X Turbo. So let's go and have a look at what these flashlights look like. So firstly, we'll go through the Olight Freyr, the safety features. So once you put that cone on, you hit the button, there's your white safety light. Again, you get your red, your green, and your blue. So here we have the Freyr on the low setting. It's only got two, and you've got the high setting. So that tree over there that you see, that's probably about 80 yards away. So that's quite a nice light. It's got quite a bit of a throw, a flood, so I like that very much. So if we switch over to the Warrior X Turbo, it's also only got two settings, and as you can see, that same tree, it's a spot beam. So we'll put that on bright, and you can see a lot further, but as I said, it's a spot. So we'll try the other one again, and there's the two. That's what the Freyr looks like, and the Warrior X Turbo. So for a truck light, I would say I prefer, for hunting anyway, the Warrior X Turbo. I prefer this one, just because I know I can get the distance out of it. If we're sitting on the back of the truck, we're doing some night hunting. This one's got a very nice little grip on it, and it throws a lot of distance. The Freyr, I love the flood. The distance is not too bad at all. I really like that. But the safety feature, in case you come up on an accident scene, I like that feature too. The only negative aspect would be if you put the belt clip on. If you put the belt clip on here, you cannot slide the light in to make it one piece. So this would have to be two separate pieces in your truck. But a very nice flashlight, but I'd still go with the Warrior X Turbo. This is what the white looks like. The red, green, and the blue. So it's actually very, very bright. Very nice feature. Good morning. So now today is the 16th of November. The editing process has started. We've got a lot of projects coming up here pretty soon. Stay tuned on the YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe. We have quite a few big game adventure episodes coming out, about 6 of them. There's a couple of hunts up in Tanzania and so on that's coming out as well on the YouTube channel, full-length personal movies. We also have some promotional videos coming out, some short clips. So there's quite a few interesting things coming up on the channel over the next month and a half to 2 months. But we'll be sitting here editing here until just before Christmas, and then go on a little holiday here with the family. So looking forward to a little bit of time off. Also, just make sure with these Olight flashlights, you go into the description. Follow the links. There is a 50% off Black Friday sales. Just follow the links. You'll see them there. I know the Warrior X Turbo that we saw last night is also on special 50% off. The Black Friday sale starts on the 18th of November, so that's in 2 days' time. So make sure you get there early. Also, I just want to give a shout out to our sponsors, TriggerCam. Thank you very much for the season. We're going to be doing a nice advert for them here in the next couple of months as well. And Fit Pro Fitment for all the bar work on the vehicles, the bull bars, the hunting rigs. Just want to give a shout out to you guys. Thank you very much. I appreciate your support. And stay tuned. We're going to be finishing up these edits here pretty soon. I'm just busy finishing up what you're watching right now. And that'll be up live tomorrow. So stay tuned.